So this is a room tour of our hotel at the Sheraton Waikiki. Here we have a king-size bed right here. Have a natural wood headboard. And here is Stella. Your first time in Hawaii. And over here we have like a little nice desk or office area. And this room has an ocean view over here. Over here we have Diamond Head in the distance. Here is the Waikiki Beach area. And if you look down over here, there are the 2 pools that is included in this hotel. And on the right hand side is the infinity pool. Over here we have a view of the Royal Hawaiian Hotel, which is also one of the SPG hotels. And this view gives you a view of the koi pond right there. And this bathroom is actually pretty interesting because these open and shut for privacy. Here is the restroom. Here, they actually include toothbrush and toothpaste without you requesting it, which is actually quite convenient.